take a look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, leather appointed seat trim, seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, assist steps, chrome tubular, 6 inches oval, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, wheels, 418x8, 45.7 cm x 20.3 cm, aluminum, convenience package, all-star edition, tires, P265/65 R18 all-terrain, black wall, fog lamps, front, halogen, rear vision camera and the suspension package. Off-road. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.